guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all some very lightweight oil-free moisturizers perfect for the summer season. The summers have begun in full swing and it's so hot in so many cities in India. Like if you live in Gujarat, Rajasthan or say Madhya Pradesh or Delhi or Mumbai, like I live in Mumbai, यहाँ पे इतनी ज़्यादा humidity और heat है that whenever I go out, I start sweating like crazy and my skin becomes so oily, so greasy, so sticky. I just hate that feeling. And ऐसी feeling में ऐसे weather में moisturizer लगाना किसको पसंद है? Because और ज़्यादा stickiness, और ज़्यादा greasiness, और ज़्यादा sweatiness बढ़ जाती है. So that's why I switched completely to gel-based moisturizers that are very lightweight and oil-free and that absorb very fast into the skin because hydration भी ज़रूरी है skin के लिए, right? So I switch to very lightweight moisturizer जो एकदम summer friendly है, जिसको लगाने से आपको वो hydration तो मिल जाएगा लेकिन आपकी skin sweat नहीं करेगी, आपकी skin oily और sticky नहीं लगेगी. So I'm going to be sharing just those moisturizers with you all. So if you want to know which are these moisturizers, then please keep on watching. If you want to purchase them, I have left all the purchasing in the description box below. सारे moisturizers आपको Amazon पे मिल जाएंगे and Amazon is currently running this huge sale, so you get all of these moisturizers at really good discounts and deals. तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे बचा सकते हो if you shop for these moisturizers from Amazon. So with all that being said, let me quickly dive into today's video and share with you all of my favorite lightweight moisturizers for summers. Okay, so the first moisturizer that I have is by Dr. Shades. This is their Ceramide and Vitamin C oil-free moisturizer. As the name says, this is an oil-free moisturizer, so it's not gonna like make your skin look oily or greasy. And let me just show you the consistency of this. आप देख सकते हो कि इसकी जो कंसिस्टेंसी है वो एकदम जेल लाइक है एंड इट गेट्स अब्जॉर्ब्ड इन द स्किन लाइक सो फास्ट. So it's a very fast absorbing product. It is a very lightweight moisturizer, and why I love this the most is because it contains the goodness of ceramides and vitamin C. तो summers में ना usually आपकी skin बहुत ज़्यादा dull हो जाती है because of a lot of heat. सारा glow चला जाता है. So vitamin C helps to like fight all of that dullness and bring back that natural glow on your skin. And इसके साथ इसमें ceramides भी है and ceramides are like the building blocks of your skin. Ceramides आपकी स्किन के बैरियर को प्रोटेक्ट करता है, उसको रिपेयर करता है, उसको स्ट्रेंथन करता है so that your skin is less prone to damage. So by using a moisturizer like this, it's going to help in hydrating your skin, it's going to help in removing all the dullness and add a beautiful glow on your skin, and it's also going to help in strengthening and repairing your skin's barrier, thereby preventing skin damage. तो इसके बहुत सारे benefits है and it's perfect for the summer season. You can use it during the daytime or the night time whenever that you want, and the best part about this is that it's fragrance free, so even if you have sensitive skin, this will still suit you. Okay, so the next moisturizer that I have is by M Caffeine. This is their green tea night gel. Now this is a night gel and you're supposed to use it during your night routine, and this has a gel like consistency. Let me just show you. So as you can see, इसकी completely एक gel जैसी consistency है, and once you like apply it on your skin, बहुत fast से skin में absorb हो जाता है because of the like gel like texture. And this has the goodness of green tea. Now green tea is amazing for oily skin, for acne prone skin and for the summer season. Green tea में इतने antioxidants होते हैं which all help to fight dullness and bring out that glow on your skin. Green tea बहुत soothing होती है, बहुत calming होती है skin के लिए. So even if you have sunburns, even if you've been out and about in the hot sun और आपकी skin बहुत ज़्यादा burn हो रही है, बहुत ज़्यादा irritate हो गई है, then green tea will help to calm and soothe your skin. And इसके साथ it helps in hydrating your skin really well. So I really like this night gel. It's perfect for oily skin, it's perfect for the summer season, and if you're looking for a night cream or a night gel, then you can definitely try this one out. It's got so many benefits and it's very hydrating and very soothing for the skin. Now, the only thing that I don't like about this is that it contains perfume, it contains some fragrance. The fragrance is amazing. It just feels so good, but it does contain some fragrance. So if you have sensitive skin and if you prefer fragrance-free products, then you might not like this. Okay, a very similar product that I have is by Himaira. This is their Hydro Bomb Intense Hydration Moisturizer. Now this again has a gel-like texture. Let me just show you. इसका भी जो texture है, it is so much fun to play with. It's got this gel like jelly texture, and again once you apply it, बहुत फास्ट आपकी स्किन में ब्लेंड हो जाएगा, बहुत फास्ट अब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगा. बट अनलाइक द अदर मॉइस्चराइजर्स दैट आई शोड यू व्हिच वर लाइक very लाइट वेट, this one provides intense amount of hydration. So if you have dry skin, and if the lightweight moisturizers don't do the job for you, if the gel like moisturizers don't really provide enough hydration, then this one definitely will. It provides an intense amount of hydration. Like, I can still feel all of that creaminess on my hands. That is how much hydration it provides. So in spite of being such a lightweight texture, in spite of being like a gel-like texture, it still provides intense amount of hydration to your skin. So this just makes it amazing for dry skin and for combination skin. Suppose if you have combination skin and if your cheeks are dry and your T-zone is oily, then you can use a very lightweight gel-like product on your T-zone where it's oily, and on your cheeks where the skin is dry, you can use a intense hydrating moisturizer like this one. In spite of being so lightweight, it provides an intense amount of hydration on the skin and just makes the skin feel so nice and so plump and so healthy. So that's the reason why I love this so much. If you have oily skin, you might not like it, or you might just want to take a very tiny amount of this. But if you have dry or combination skin during the summer season, and if you're looking for a lightweight yet an intensely hydrating product, this is the one that you can go for. This does contain a little bit of fragrance, but the fragrance is very soothing, so I love that about this. Okay, so the next moisturizer that I have is a very popular one. This is Pond's Super Light Gel, and as the name says, this has a gel-like consistency. As you can see, I've already finished up like half of this. So the deal with this is that in spite of being so lightweight, like this is the most lightweight moisturizer out of all the ones that I'm showing you. So in spite of being so lightweight and fast absorbing, this can clog your pores. So if you have acne prone skin, you might want to stay away from this. अगर आपकी एक्ने प्रोन स्किन है, ये आपके पोर्स को क्लॉग कर सकता है, आपकी स्किन पे एक्ने आ सकते हैं आफ्टर यूजिंग इट. बट इफ़ योर स्किन इज़ नॉट एक्ने प्रोन, इफ़ यू डोंट हैव द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ एक्ने एंड पिंपल्स, देन यू विल लव दिस मॉइस्चराइजर. अगर आपकी स्किन नॉर्मल टू ऑयली है, ये इतना ज़्यादा लाइट वेट है, इट विल प्रोवाइड लाइक अ लेयर ऑफ हाइड्रेशन ऑन योर स्किन, एंड इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट इट विल फील लाइक यू हैव नथिंग ऑन योर स्किन. दैट इज़ हाउ लाइट वेट इट इज़. एंड इसकी जो फ्रेगरेंस है, the fragrance is really good, but it's very strong, and it's gonna last on your skin for at least like 2 to 3 hours. So that is something that you want to keep in mind while using it. Acne prone skin and sensitive skin के लिए मैं ये recommend नहीं करती, but if your skin is not acne prone and if it's not sensitive, you're gonna love this because it's ultra lightweight. Like, it is the most lightweight product that I've ever used. Okay, so the last moisturizer that I have for today is by the Dermaco. This is their 4% Ceramide Barrier Repair Moisturizer. Now the reason why I love this so much is because it has a gel-like consistency and it's so lightweight. Let me show you a swatch. So as you can see, it gets absorbed in the skin super fast. It's got that gel-like texture and it feels very nice and hydrating. The reason why I love this so much is because of the combination of ingredients in here. Firstly, it's got 4% of ceramide complex, and as I mentioned earlier, ceramides are the building blocks of your skin. They help to repair, strengthen and protect your skin's barrier and make your skin less prone to damage and less prone to breakouts. This also has 2% of niacinamide, and niacinamide helps in controlling the excessive sebum production on your skin, thereby preventing your skin from becoming excessively oily. तो आपकी स्किन ज़्यादा ऑयली नहीं होगी, आपके जो लार्ज ओपन पोर्स है वो भी मिनिमाइज हो जाएंगे, आपको एक्ने एंड पिंपल्स होने के चांसेस भी कम हो जाएंगे with the help of niacinamide. And इसमें oxylans भी है which helps in the skin's oxygenation process. It helps your skin breathe properly. So when your skin breathes, all the damage gets repaired faster. Your skin starts glowing so much. So I love the combination of ingredients in here. It not just hydrates your skin but also repairs and protects your skin. It also helps in like dealing with all of your oiliness and large open pores and acne issues. And it also helps in adding a beautiful glow on your skin by improving your skin's oxygenation. So the combination of ingredients is bomb. The texture is so lightweight and fast absorbing, and it's just perfect for all skin types for the summer season. Apart from this, you can also try out Dermaco's new launch. This is Dermaco Propylene oil-free moisturizer. This is amazing. It is an exact dupe for Emollient cream. Emollient cream is a moisturizer that's recommended by dermats, and ये इतना ज़्यादा लाइट वेट होता है. It's almost like water based, super lightweight, non sticky, non greasy, एंड इसको लगाने से आपको बिल्कुल भी एक्ने एंड पिंपल्स नहीं होंगे. तो अगर आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा एक्ने प्रोन स्किन है एंड नन ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स सूट यू, apply this will definitely suit you. It's one of those dermat recommended products that are prescribed to acne prone skin. तो अगर आपकी acne prone skin है ये वाला यूज़ करो. अगर आपकी sensitive skin है, irritated skin है, ये यूज़ करो. It will soothe your skin, calm it down and just make it so good. If you happen to try out any of the products that I mentioned, do comment below your experience. If you have any holy grail moisturizers that work out really well for you during the summer season that are super lightweight, then comment down that as well. I would love to try out more products. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and yeah, with that, that's a wrap for now. I will see you in my next video.